today's the first day out with the new Predator from Gutter Vacuum Systems. Really looking forward to it. I've got 3 jobs to do today. The first 2 are gutter empty and wash down, but they're not massive, so it shouldn't take too long. So I'll use the gutter vac for that, and then I've got the constant flow for the wash down. The third job is just a gutter empty, and again not a massive job, but this is the first time I've had it out. I don't want to book too much in one go and be swamped out and not know how I'll get on with it. So let's get cracking and see how we get on. So there wasn't really a lot in that one, to be honest. There was only a bit in the one side, so I did offer her some of her money back. I felt a bit guilty. She's a regular customer. She's always nice, always makes us a cup of tea. So I did offer her some money back, but she refused. But what do? If you get to a job and there's nothing in the gutter, do you still charge them the same? Put it in the comments below. So that one's done. Off to the next one now. The third one I've got's only just across the road from me, but unfortunately she's not going to be home until this afternoon, so I have to come back to that. But off to the next one now, which is just a gutter empty. Since I made the video, I've had a couple of extra pieces come. I've had a bag for the hose, so that will keep it all nice and tidy. The extension lead that comes with the Pro Pack, that's arrived, and my claw nozzles arrived as well. That's actually in stainless steel rather than in aluminium, so that should last forever. So that's the first day with the Predator finished. I've just finished doing that one there. Just finished doing that one there. So that was a gutter clear and empty. And this morning I did that one over there. Now it's absolutely chucking it down with rain. So now it's absolutely chucking it down with rain. I'm glad to get finished. So what did I reckon to the Predator for the first day? It's a really good vac. There's no problem sucking anything out. Moss, masonry, everything, it all gets down there. And it's really performed well on the first day. I'm so pleased with it. So I'm going to go home now. Going to have a cup of tea, go and get my hair dry. What bit of hair I've got. Get my head dry. And start another day tomorrow. So thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and take a look at my playlist. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.